Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Whisk AI tool inside Google Flow. Here you can go and type Google Flow, Labs Flow, whatever you type, then you can open this website. Then click on this button, create with Google Flow. Then click next. Then scroll down, accept these terms and conditions, then click here continue button, then click here new project, then click here tools, scroll down. Here you can find out different tools. You can search for Whisk, this one, click here. Now you can type anything that you want to generate, for example flying taxi image. You can also type images, then after that press enter. Here you can see images are ready, so if you don't like any of the image then you can remove that. You can also get the image in your laptop by clicking on this button. Now you can use the image anywhere. Here you can see the image quality and result. So in this way you can easily use Whisk AI tool to create any type of images, logos and many more.